What if your child could build a robot instead of just reading about it? In today's world, marks alone are not enough. Your child needs real skills, real experience, and real confidence. At Bonifon Future School, we go beyond textbooks with hands-on STEM education, where science, technology, engineering, and math come alive through action. From building robots to learning artificial intelligence to creating real-world projects, your child will develop creativity, problem-solving skills, and future-ready knowledge. This is not just a course, it's a step towards your child's future. Admissions are now open. Last date to apply, 22nd May. Seats are limited. Don't miss this opportunity to give your child a head start. Bonifon Future School, where young minds build the future.